A short distance from his village, Tumta put the basket under a tree. He ran to his village and asked everyone to get ready to receive his bride. In the meanwhile, a very withered and ugly woman called Vanchini tiptoed to the basket under the tree and opened it. She was surprised to see the pretty bride. She felt so jealous of her beauty that she threw her into a river and got inside the basket. So Tumta returned and carried the basket to the village. So students, who was Tumta? Tumta was a brave man. Tumta was a brave man. And who was Anjali? Anjali is a wicked, ugly woman. Okay. So students, who was Tumta? Tumta was a brave man, and the animal of the king was angry with the Tumta because Tumta killed the injured the wild animal of his kingdom. So the animal of the king comes to the Tumta, comes to the villain and asks Tumta. After that, Tumta explained everything about the what happening in that place. Tumta explained to the king. When Tumta explained everything to the king tell Tumta, you have to pay for this. You have to pay for this work. So Tumta was also agreed to the king. The animal's king told to the Tumta, "Ye brave man, I will forgive you if you will be married with my daughter." So whenever Tumta listened this news, immediately Tumta agreed to marry the king's daughter. So look at the third paragraph. Now Tumta's village was so far away. Now Tumta's village was far away. From where? From the kingdom, from the king's house. So now Tumta's village was far away. He did not want his wife to walk such a distance. So students, already Tumta married the king's daughter, so princess. So animals king. So Tumta already married the princess. So Tumta did not want his wife to walk such a distance. So Tumta's village is very far away from the kingdom. So that Tumta did not want his wife to walk such a distance. So he put her in a basket so that Tumta put his wife in the basket and walked towards home. So the king's house was so far away from the Tumta's village, so that Tumta did not want his wife walk such a distance. So Tumta put her wife in a basket and walked towards his home. A short distance from his village. A short distance. Whenever Tumta walked towards the home, when a short distance from his village, Tumta put the basket under a tree. So when Tumta knew that there is such a short distance from his village, that then Tumta put the basket under a tree. He ran to his village. Who ran to his village? Tumta ran to his village and asked everyone to get ready to receive his bride. Whenever Tumta married the princess, so Tumta did not want his wife walk such a distance. So that Tumta put his wife in a basket and walked towards the home. When Tumta knew that there is short distance from his village, the time Tumta kept the basket under a tree and he ran to his village and asked everyone and told everyone that he was get married to a prince and he is coming with his wife. So ask everyone to get ready to receive his bride. So students, whenever a bride and bridegroom come to your house, all are get ready for welcome them. So like this, Tumta ran to his village and asked everyone and told everyone to get ready. Why they get ready? Because Tumta come with his wife. So Tumta told everyone to get ready to receive means come silently or walk silently. So when Tumta kept the basket under the tree, at that time, a wicked, a very bad, ugly woman, that name is Anjibili, tiptoed, come silently, walk silently towards the basket under the tree. Where is the basket? The basket is under the tree. Basket was under the tree. So the wicked Anjibili, the wicked woman Anjibili, walked silently towards the basket under the tree and opened it. And who opened it? Anjibili opened the basket. Anjibili opened the basket. Where was the basket? The basket was under the tree. The basket was under the tree. So what was the name of the wicked woman? Wicked woman name is Anjibili. Okay. She was surprised to see the pretty bride. Who was surprised? Yes, the Anjibili was surprised to see the pretty bride. So students, you know that animal king has a pretty daughter. So whenever Tumta keep the basket under the tree, at that time, a very wicked woman, that name is Anjibili, walked silently towards the basket and opened the basket. Whenever Anjibili opened the basket, Anjibili was surprised. Really was surprised to see the pretty bride. Whenever Anjibili saw the pretty bride, saw the king Tumta's wife, saw the king's daughter, the Anjibili was surprised. She felt so jealous of her beauty that she threw her into a river and got inside the basket. So whenever Anjibili saw the pretty bride, saw the Tumta's wife, that time Anjibili feel jealous because we know that Anjibili was very ugly woman. Anjibili was a very ugly woman. So that Anjibili felt so jealous of her beauty. Whose beauty? Pretty bride's beauty. The Anjibili was so jealous of her beauty that she threw her into a river. So Anjibili felt jealous when Anjibili saw the princess, saw the Tumta's wife. The Tumta's wife was very pretty. So Anjibili felt jealous and Anjibili she threw the pretty bride, she threw the princess into a river. Who threw it? You threw the bride. Anjibili threw the bride into a river and got inside the basket. The Anjibili threw the princess into a river and Anjibili got inside the basket. Soon Tumta returned and carried the basket to the village. So Tumta don't know what is happening here, what was happening there. So Tumta returned from his village, because we know that Tumta was run to his village to tell everyone he was getting married and he was coming with his wife. So all have to get ready, everyone get ready to welcome the bride. So whenever Tumta returned from his village and carried the basket to his village, So students, this is a very, very interesting and funny story for you. So in this story we learned that there was a huge wild animal. Once upon a time there was a huge wild animal living in a nearby village, and the wild animal destroyed all the grown crops and it started eating all the grown crops. So that the wild animal is very furious. So all the villagers afraid of the wild animal. No one dared to face the wild animal. In that village there was a brave man, that name is Tumta. Tumta took a spear and ran after chase the wild animal, and Tumta injured the wild animal. Whenever Tumta injured the wild animal, Tumta, why, how dare you to injure my animals of my kingdom? So that time Tumta told explain everything what happened here. Whenever the king listened everything from Tumta, the king told to Tumta, the young man, I will forgive you if you will marry my daughter. So whenever Tumta listened this news from the king, immediately Tumta agreed and married the princess. So that whenever Tumta married the princess, then the Tumta's house, Tumta's village was far away from the kingdom. So Tumta did not want to walk his wife such a distance. So he put her in a basket and walked towards the village. When he short distance from his village, so Tumta put this basket under a tree and run to his village and asked everyone to welcome his wife, welcome the bride. So get ready to welcome the bride. So in that time, whenever Tumta ran to his village, in that time there was a very wicked, ugly woman. That name is Hanchibili, got silently to near the basket and opened it. She opened the basket. Whenever Hanchibili opened the basket, the Hanchibili was surprised when she saw the pretty bride, and the Hanchibili felt jealous with her bride, with her beauty. So Hanchibili threw the princess into the river, threw Tumta's wife into the river, and Hanchibili got inside the basket. Who got inside the basket? Hanchibili got inside the basket, and Tumta has no idea about it. So whenever Tumta returned from his village, Tumta carried the basket to the village. So students, in this paragraph we got two difficult words. Wicked means bride and tiptoed means kept silently or walk silently. So students, who was Tumta? Tumta was a brave man. Who was Hanchibili? Hanchibili was a wicked and ugly woman. Who felt jealous? Hanchibili felt jealous because the bride is so pretty. Okay. So students, where was the basket? The basket was under the tree. And who is inside the basket? Yes, the Tumta's wife inside the basket. The princess. Here Tumta put her wife inside the basket. Okay students, this much for today. In the next class, in the next video, I will teach you more about this lesson and 4 paragraph of this chapter. So till then,